We are doing Q&A video today. Do you know what Q&A stands for? What is Q&A video? Do you know what is Q&A? What Q&A stands for? What?
Quacka quacka.
So how old are you?
8. 6. 8.
How many brothers have you got?
2.
Do you like your brothers?
No.
Which one do you like more, Henry or Hetty Hoover?
Henry.
Henry. Why do you like Henry more?
Because he makes most of the videos.
He makes most of the videos?
Yeah, and he's also very funny, very often.
Is
Henry.
Why?
Because in a girly like Hetty. Henry.
Why do you like Henry better?
Well, he's a boy, and I hate the girls.
What?
I hate girls.
You hate girls, that's why you prefer Henry, because he's a boy. What?
Henry is my best friend, my best friend, my best friend. Henry is my best friend, he's always there for me.
When did you get your first vacuum cleaner?
On our birthday.
How old were you when you got your first vacuum cleaner?
6. On my 5th birthday.
Do you like vacuuming?
Yeah. No.
What is pneumatic?
A Hoover.
What kind of Hoover is pneumatic?
Henry.
What is pneumatic? Do you know what is pneumatic?
Like a Hoover.
Pneumatic is a Hoover?
Yeah.
Pneumatic, what is pneumatic Hoover?
Like something that has
What is pneumatic Hoover or pneumatic vacuum cleaner?
like something that you can hoover with.
What is YouTube? What is YouTube?
Like somewhere where you can watch videos.
What are subscribers?
People who like your video a lot. Like someone who really likes your video.
Right. Do you know how many subscribers we have on Henry Hoover TV?
5,000.
We've got over 5,000 now, haven't we?
Yeah.
What message would you send to our subscribers?
Thank you for subscribing. Thumbs up.
What message would you send to our subscribers?
Hello.
What else would you tell them?
I hope you subscribe 5 more times.
Do you like making YouTube videos?
Yes. Yes.
What is the best part about making YouTube videos?
That so you can watch it and have fun.
What is the best part of making YouTube videos?
The best part is that
Do you believe in magic?
Yes.
What do you think is magic?
Like something that loads of people don't believe in.
What is magic?
It's when you say abracadabra
Abracadabra?
with a wand and then there's something there.
Do you believe in magic?
Yeah.
What is magic?
Well, magic is a sort of potion that can turn like stuff into a different thing.
Do you think our vacuum cleaners are magical?
Yeah, definitely.
What magic do they have?
Well, they can
What
come
magical?
to life.
That's the magical power. They come to life.
Yeah.
What do you think our vacuum cleaners do while we are sleeping or when nobody is at home?
They do trouble.
They do trouble?
Yeah.
Do they come to life, do you think?
Yeah, a lot of times. Well, they have some fun, or they just like eat sweets and then they be sick, or they just be sick.
What is the Henry's best thing to do when nobody is watching?
And eat loads of food and then vomit in the toilet.
What is Hetty's favorite thing to do when no one is watching?
Have fun with Henry.
How heavy is Henry the Hoover? How many kilograms does he weigh?
About 3. Well, it depends. When he eats a lot, he's very heavy, and when he doesn't, he's not that heavy.
How many kilograms?
10.
How much does Henry the Hoover cost in the shop?
£50.
£50, right.
I guess about £74.99. £20. 80.
Would you like a new vacuum cleaner? Maybe different color Henry?
Yeah.
What color Henry would you choose?
Blue.
People commented on YouTube that they love your vacuum cleaner collection. Would you like to add more vacuum cleaners to your
Yes,
collection?
please.
How many vacuum cleaners would you like to have in total?
20. 7.
If you wanted to get a new vacuum cleaner, would you like to pay for it with your own savings?
Yeah. Maybe or maybe not.
Does Daddy vacuum?
Yeah. I think he does.
Have you seen him vacuuming?
No, but I think he does it in secret.
Does Mama vacuum?
Yeah. Yes, I saw you.
Do you vacuum in our house?
Yeah.
How often?
Well, about once per week.
Do you vacuum?
Yeah.
How often?
Very often.
How often? How many times per week?
About 4 times.
How often do you vacuum?
Quite often.
How often?
A little bit often.
Little bit often per week. How many times per week?
1.
1 time a week?
Yeah.
Is that often?
Not very.
Not very. Now this is the end of the video. Is there anything you want to say to our friends on YouTube, the people who are watching our videos? Is there anything you want
Thank you for coming for our video. Have a good time watching our videos. Thumbs up.
Hi Henry. Can I ask you a question? What do you do when no one is at home?